Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Louis19 and today I'm going to demonstrate on how to put back a dislocated second arm to its center wheel pivot of a watch. So I found this watch with dislocated second hand to it and I'm going to use it as a sample to demonstrate it to you. And as you can see to the face of the watch, the hand is rattling around and it's very annoying watching the time with dislocated hand to it. So let's try to open it and try to put it back to its designated place by opening the back cover of the watch with a knife. And please be careful when using sharp tools. And in some quartz watch, it is screwed in place and you'll need to use a screwdriver to remove the back cover. And next thing to do is to remove the bracket of the watch. But before we remove the bracket, the crown is on the way for removing the face, so let's remove it for now to extract the face of the watch later on. By using this tool, you can use any pointy objects, but I'm using a pimple popper or whatever you call it. Let's see. Here, you can see a small dent to it and just press it gently. Just a little bit pressure to it. And remove the stem of the crown slowly. And from that, we can remove the face of the watch easily. Let's remove the bracket first. I'm going to use the tweezers in this thing. There! Much better. And finally, removing the face. And there, the stubborn second arm is exposed. So let's get this thing out carefully and refrain in bending it to avoid malfunctions when it's working. This is the arm of the watch. And this is the face of the watch. So let's put it back in place. Push it in the middle gently and not the arm to avoid bending it. And let's check if it's locked in place. It's not falling off, so I think we did it. This thing is not working because the battery is empty. The minute hand is moving around because the gears inside is not locked by the crown that we removed earlier, and there's nothing to worry about. And at least they're not falling off. And let's put it back into its case and so on. In returning the stem of the crown, just push it in directly where it is placed before until it clicks. And let's test the function of the crown. Well, it works. And since the battery is empty, we will get rid of it. Bye battery. Let's return the back cover. Well, I think that was a success, guys. I hope it gives you an idea and it also helps you. Thanks for watching and I really appreciate it. And if you like this video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to my next video.